Hey Siri, give me the details on 2049 Hoover in Niskayuna. I don't remember seeing this property before. This looks like a really good deal. In fact, this is probably the best deal on the market. If you're looking in the Niskayuna School District, this 3-bed, 2-bath home is move-in ready and it is priced to sell. If you got pets, there's no need to have to worry about fencing the yard because it's already done here. There's a 1-car detached garage, nice little deck, great for entertaining. And best of all, there's nothing you gotta do except move your stuff in. For a private showing, give us a call today at 518-669-1804 so we can give you the home field advantage.